having a lot of electronic shortages in my house. I've lost brand new appliances and everything else. But this is a complaint I'm covering my name against Sheriff John Rutherford that I made due to the retaliation from Duval County judicial system and them in the state of Florida for not investigating these claims. These are recent claims supporting claims that I actually submitted years ago. And this company, I worked here. I was working at British Airways, and when I started Show Up a Magazine online. So this Working Well is for as a result of harassment from Whitetail in Duval County, Florida. I made a complaint with the city ethics office, and I also had some problems with the Jacksonville Festival office. And so it's been on and on and on and on, and they have been giving me help. So they use the Duval County school board system to harass me, my children.